Hi friends, this video shows how to fix continuous reboot issue. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select settings icon from top. Go to device preferences. Under device preferences, go down. Select developer options. Select developer options. And here we can see enable developer options. If developer options as enabled, we have to disable it. If you have enabled developer options and updated some of the developer options, then you have to revert those changes and disable developer options. For that, you can just disable developer options here. That's all. Then go back and restart the TV. So that way you'd be able to fix continuous reboot issues. So please try it. So I hope you have enjoyed this video.